Good morning. I'll show you a little bit of, you could meet Dixie. There's Dixie. Hi, Dixie. Shake your head, Dixie. Shake your head. Go on your bed. Shake. Good, shake. Dixie, come. Sit. I said sit down. Can you beg? Good girl. Back up. Back up. Lay down. Bang. You stay. Good girl. Up. Sit down. Up. Good. Stay. Stay. Yeah. Oh. Okay, let's try it again. Stay. Can you beg? Beg. Good girl. Down. Go in your bed. You know Dixie, and who that is. Yep.